Okay, pag-usapan na natin to. Pitbull versus Angel Fierro, the rematch. Who you got? All right. This is gonna be another interesting and great matchup sa undercard po ng Pacquiao versus Barrios. Siyempre si Pitbull Cruz, kilalang kilala yan dito sa Pilipinas kasi closely related siya sa Sean Gibbons MP Promotions. So, and if you don't know, the last time they fought, that went into a unanimous decision last earlier this year. No, ang score no 98-92, 97-93, and 96-94. It was a close fight. No, ang daming suntok doon. No, so that is why sa sinasabi ko sa inyo, this fight will be fireworks. When I say fireworks, walang tigil na suntukan. The last time it happened that way, I expect nothing less. It should be the same. Yung total output yata noon was over 14,000 punches. And it was the fight of the year, if I'm not mistaken. And actually, Cruz landed about 248 punches and 238 punches dun kay Fierro. So sobrang napakaganda ng laban na yun. So here's what I think would be this time around the keys to win. I would tell you right now, I'm still leaning towards Pitbull Cruz. The reason for that is the style of Pitbull Cruz. Although he doesn't really have that yung power. Although pure power ang kanyang suntok kasi itong si Pitbull Cruz, criticism and at the same time ano ko sa kanya parang kakaiba. This guy is unique as a boxer in the high level pero hindi siya marunong gumamit ng jab. He's just throwing in left hook and right hook pero ang dami. So one of his advantage is that style, relentless pressure. And he just need to land the same thing. If he does the same thing the last time, I think he's gonna win. But this time around, he needs to attack more sa body. So, kailangan pumunta siya sa katawan para hindi siya masyado maghabol at para bumagal yung ano niya. Actually, both fighters should go to the body. Whoever goes to the body and slow down their opponent would have an advantage. Ang hirap kasi ang liit ni Pitbull eh. Ano bang height nito? 5'4 and 5'7. Mas mahirap yung maliit, mahirap tirahin sa katawan eh. So, yung punch accuracy din mas lamang. Actually, almost the same eh. Almost the same. But yung stamina kasi at saka yung experience din sa high level ni Pitbull Cruz, di mo matatawanan eh. So, lamang na lamang siya dyan. Para kay Angel Fierro, pareho silang marami din sumuntok. Kailangan lang niya siguro dagdagan ng konting depensa para kasi ma-quality si quality and quantity. Mas mataas yung the last time they fought, mas maraming pinatama si Pitbull Cruz. And again, Fierro had a strong finish the latter rounds. Dapat masimula pa lang mauna na siya. Don't let Pitbull Cruz control the fight. At matibay ito. Di ko alam, parang feeling ko hindi kayang inakot ni Pitbull si Fierro. Hindi ko lang alam. But at the end of the day, if you look at the odds, I think lamang na lamang si Cruz dito. Sobrang lamang si Cruz that I feel this time that not this time. I feel that he could still win. In fact, dahil undercard siya ni Pacquiao, at I'm sure he's well prepared, malamang na talagang susubukang pabaksakin ni Pitbull ito. Kasi heavy favorite siya eh. So, I don't expect a knockout. Tingin ko magkakabugbugan kasi matibay ito. Matibay eh. So, but it's not impossible pag mapuruhan. But at the end of the day, Pitbull Cruz ang aking pick dito by decision. By bugbog decision. Agree or disagree?